Here's a quick video, quick heads up about System Shock, which works for Mac. System Shock 2023, of course, and not the old one. Get the porting kit from portingkit.com, download it, and move it into your application folder and open it if you haven't have the application already. Then go to your GOG.com account source, or click on all games and search the game in the database. System Shock. As you can see here, 2023 is now added. If you click on it and then click on install, and you're logged into your account here with the GOG integration, then you can just install it, and then after installation, which will go completely automatic, then you will see this System Shock in your account. This cover is a bug, so don't mind that one, but click on play, and then after installation, and I will show you that it now works for Mac. I will show you a little bit of gameplay. It only works on macOS Sonoma and up, on only Apple Silicon Macs, not on Intel-based Mac, only on Apple Silicon Macs at the moment. If you have those requirements, Sonoma, an Apple Silicon Mac, and the game, then you can play it. Alright, so let's quickly get into the game. I'll click a new game, I'll confirm, I will skip the intro in a moment.
We have achieved an entire decade of self-sustained living and working around Saturn's L6 orbit. Both I, as well as Tri-Optimum's board of directors, would like to extend our most heartfelt gratitude to all staff working tirelessly around the clock. Their success is...
Get out of here. Performance is great on my Apple Silicon MacBook Pro. So, yeah. Oops.
Turn around! Now!
We're transporting the prisoner from New Atlanta, Sector 11. What's our destination?
Skip. So...
We got someone! Employee 2-4601. I'm Rebecca Lansing. I'm terrorist. Try Optimum. Here's the situation. Our scans at our station show a biological outbreak in progress. We're in a comms blackout since showdown is unresponsive. And worse yet, the mining laser is charging a potential strike on
It
Earth.
burns!
Nathan Darcy has an office in the medical level physical hub. If he's alive, he'll bring the situation under control. I'll contact you the minute I know it's done soon. Lansing out.
So, as you can see, looks awesome. So, yeah. So back on Politol.com and get PortaKit from PortaKit.com and enjoy this game and many others. So, yeah, enjoy. Bye-bye.